Learn English easily. My daily routine as an Uber driver. In a bustling city filled with endless streets, there lived an Uber driver named Alex. Alex had been driving for Uber for over 3 years, and each day brought its own set of adventures and stories. Alex's day would begin early in the morning as the sun peeked over the horizon, casting a golden glow over the city. Alex would wake up, stretch, and prepare for the day ahead. After a quick breakfast, usually a bowl of cereal and a cup of coffee, he would step into his reliable car, a 4-year-old sedan that was as much a part of his daily life as his morning coffee. Before starting his engine, Alex would check his car thoroughly. He would clean the windows for clear visibility, check the tires for safety, and ensure that the back seat was spotless and comfortable for his passengers. Then, with a button press, his Uber app would go live and the day's journey would begin. Alex loved meeting new people, and his job as an Uber driver allowed him to meet folks from all walks of life. His first passenger of the day might be a businessman, dressed sharply in a suit and tie, rushing to catch an early morning flight. They would often chat about the economy, travel, or sports. Alex found these conversations enlightening, as they gave him insights into worlds different from his own. By mid-morning, after dropping off his first few passengers, Alex might drive a young mother and her children to school. The car would be filled with the sounds of cheerful chatter and the occasional giggling of children. Alex enjoyed these rides the most, as the innocence and joy of children always brightened his day. Lunchtime was often the busiest. People would hail his Uber for a quick ride to grab a bite or to head back to their offices. During these trips, Alex would sometimes receive recommendations for the best local eateries. He made a mental note of these suggestions, planning to try them out someday. The afternoons were typically slower, giving Alex some time to take a break. He'd often park his car near a park and watch as people walked their dogs or jogged. It was his moment of quiet, away from the constant hustle and bustle. As the evening rolled in, Alex's passengers changed once more. He might pick up groups of friends heading to dinner or a movie. These rides were lively, filled with laughter and excited plans for the night. Sometimes he would drive tourists who were eager to explore the city's landmarks. Alex took pride in acting as an unofficial tour guide, pointing out historical buildings and recommending must-visit spots. Late at night, Alex would help the night shift workers get home safely or pick up tired partygoers. These rides were quieter, often with passengers too weary to chat. Alex respected their need for silence and would smoothly drive them to their destinations, ensuring they had a peaceful end to their day. After his last passenger, Alex would head home, tired but fulfilled. He enjoyed the unpredictability of his job, never knowing who he would meet next or what stories they would share. Before going to bed, Alex would reflect on the day, grateful for the connections he had made and the smiles he had brought to people's faces. And so, day after day, Alex continued his journey as an Uber driver, each day weaving a new story into the fabric of his life, each passenger leaving a mark on his heart, and each ride bringing him a little closer to the vast tapestry of human experience. Sam's daily routine. Sam was an electrical engineer who specialized in designing and implementing complex systems for various clients, ranging from big corporations to small startups. After waking up, Sam spends a few quiet moments stretching and mentally preparing for the day. Breakfast was quick, usually a bowl of oatmeal and a cup of strong coffee to kickstart his morning. Before leaving his apartment, Sam would check his planner. It was filled with notes, appointments, and deadlines. As he sipped his coffee, he reviewed the day's schedule, which typically included client meetings, site visits, and lots of problem solving. Once ready, Sam would head to his workspace, which was either in his firm's office or on site at a client's location. His workday began with checking emails responding to clients' queries, coordinating with his team, and updating project statuses. In the middle of the morning, Sam would work on designing projects. This part of his job required him to do lots of calculations and create detailed drawings on his computer. Sam enjoyed this task because it was like solving a puzzle. Each project was different and had its challenges. Around noon, Sam would often have meetings. Sometimes these meetings were with his project team. They would talk about how the projects were going and solve any problems. Other times, the meetings were with clients. During these meetings, Sam would share updates and listen to what the clients thought. Sam was good at explaining difficult ideas in a way that was easy to understand. His clients liked this about him because he could make complicated things seem simple. Afternoons were typically reserved for site visits. Donning his hard hat and safety gear, Sam would inspect ongoing projects. He enjoyed being on site where he could see his designs coming to life. It was satisfying to watch a piece of paper filled with diagrams transform into a functioning system. During these visits, he interacted with technicians and site managers, ensuring that everything was being implemented according to plan. By late afternoon, Sam often participated in brainstorming sessions with his colleagues. They would discuss potential solutions for new projects or troubleshoot problems in current ones. Sam valued these sessions as they sparked creativity and innovation, often leading to breakthroughs that they could apply to their work. The evening was when Sam wrapped up his day. He reviewed his planner again, checking off completed tasks and noting down reminders for the next day. Before leaving the office, he made sure to tidy his workspace, leaving it ready for another day of engineering feats. On his way home, Sam liked to unwind by listening to podcasts about technology and engineering. This not only relaxed him, but also kept him updated on the latest trends and innovations in his field. Once home, Sam's evening was quiet. He cooked a simple meal, sometimes catching up on a favorite TV show or reading a book. Before bed, he often sketched ideas in a notebook he kept by his side, a habit that helped him relax and occasionally led to spontaneous solutions for work challenges. And so, each day, Sam continued his journey as an engineer, facing new challenges, meeting different clients, and contributing his skills to help build a better, more functional world. His life was a blend of creativity, problem solving, and interaction, bringing him joy and fulfillment.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more.